Hey there, fellow couch potatoes! Are you tired of watching cat videos and stalking your ex on social media? Well, it's time to put that laptop to work and start making some serious dough. Introducing the laziest way to make $500 a day from the comfort of your own home. Yep, you heard it right. No pants required, just a laptop and an internet connection. And get this, you only need to put in 2 hours a day. That's barely enough time to finish binge watching your favorite TV show, so why slave away at a desk when you could be making money in your pajamas? Say goodbye to rush hour traffic and hello to sweatpants every day of the week. Join the ranks of the laptop legends and start living the dream. Visit our website at www.joshsunkran.com and kiss those office cubicles goodbye. Don't wait, because your cat is already judging you for not taking action. Visit our website now and start raking in those Benjamins. Meow!